Hi, Judy. This is Haley Short from Dale Carnegie. Wanted to send you that proposal that we discussed this morning so you could look it over and discuss it with your team. So, as you spoke about, you already have a fantastic team, but you see growth in your future and you want them to match that growth. So, this is what we came up with after we chatted. It would be a year-long program that kicked off in January of next year and would move forward through a process called the Dale Carnegie Unlimited Experience. It would be online training at their convenience that worked with their schedules. Sporadically through the year, we'd also have decision maker calls to just let you know how that data usage is going for your team. At the end, we envision doing a debrief call with your team just to see how this experience went as a whole. So this is essentially what it looks like. The experience is packaged in different kind of sections. So webinars, workshops, and seminars. And these are all based around different access points. The one I particularly believe that the majority of your people would benefit from is this customer service access, just because it covers a wide range of topics that are really going to work towards that customer service that you want to improve on, that customer focused work. There are other lines that we can definitely discuss if you want your supervisors to have a different track as well. But what this would include essentially is a launch call with decision makers and then also with your participants to kind of show them what they're about to experience. Next, we have a custom site built just for them to use for their access point. With this, it would also have monthly reporting that we would speak to you about, as well as a dedicated digital team that's there to assist them if they have any kind of problems. Overall, this is the investment that we see works for this proposal for your team. Now, as I said, there are different access points, so I wanted to highlight that at the top of the screen so you could kind of be aware if your supervisors wanted a level up in their opportunity. As you can see at the bottom, the total investment per person is quite low considering it'd be over 20 hours of training throughout the year at their convenience. This is also the leadership access I just wanted to toss in there so you could read it over and see if it would benefit your supervisors as a whole. But overall, this is what we can provide for you. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions at all regarding this proposal. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.